Hello students, today we start a next example number 7 of a building estimate, and we use the estimation method is a long wall short wall method. So we start example number 7 of the long wall short wall method. So figure show the plan and cross section of the wall of 4 meter in a length. So see this plan, length is a 4 meter is given in this figure, and 30 centimeter width is given for a step footing, and 20 centimeter is a wall thickness, and estimate the quantity of the following items. So here 5 items is calculated in this example. First is the excavation for foundation, second is a PCC in a foundation, and third one is a first class brickwork in a foundation and a plinth, and first class brickwork in a superstructure, and last one is a DPC of the 2.5 centimeter thick at a plinth level. So in this figure here, see this point here, DPC is provided, first class brickwork in a superstructure means from the plinth level to 3 meter height, and first class brickwork in a foundation and a plinth up to plinth level, and here excavation for foundation from the ground level to bottom of the foundation, and PCC in a foundation we calculated. So first we start excavation for foundation. So in a excavation for foundation, length is given 4 meter. So 4 meter length is given in a plan, and here no any step is provided in a both the side. Clear? Only two side step is provided, this side and lower side. These two side step is provided, but at the end side no step is provided at the both the end side. So only simple we take a length for the excavation is a 4 meter as per the plan. So see this plan, 4 meter is given. Now here only single wall is we calculated. So for a single wall, here number of the wall is given 1, and length we already seen this point. So 4 meter is a length, so right here 4 meter. Width of the excavation is a PCC width is a excavation width. So here 70 centimeter. So 70 centimeter is converted into meter. So 70 centimeter means 0.70 meter. Now height of the excavation or the depth of the excavation from the bottom of the PCC work to ground level. So here summation of the 30 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15. So so here 30 centimeter plus 20, 50 plus 20, 70 plus 15, 85 centimeter is the depth of the excavation. So also here total depth of the excavation is 85 centimeter. So right here in the form of the meter, so 0.85 here. So we got an answer of the 2.38 cubic meter. So here 2.38 cubic meter we got from the multiplication of the number, length, width and depth of the excavation. So all the multiplication of the for this value we got answer is a 2.38 cubic meter. Now we start a second item calculation is a PCC work in a foundation. So PCC work total 4 meter length of the wall. So PCC work provided at the 4 meter length. So length is already given in a plan. So 4 meter length. Then after number of the wall is given 1. Length is a 4 meter. Width is given 70 centimeter. So 70 centimeter now convert into meter is a 0.7 meter. Is a width of the PCC work. And then after thickness of the PCC work is already given in a section part, cross section part. 50 centimeter is given as a PCC thickness. So here 15 centimeter is convert into meter, means 0.15. It's a total PCC work in a foundation. So multiplication of the 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 0.15. So 0.42 is the answer of the PCC work in a foundation we got in a cubic meter. Now we start a brick masonry. Next item is a brick masonry in a foundation and a plinth level. So here up to foundation to plinth level, here 3 steps we calculated. So step 1, step 2 and step 3. So for the step 1, so here no end side step footing is provided. So simply we take a length for a step 1 is equal to 4 meter. Here number of the wall is a 1, length is a 4 meter for the step 1, means see this 50 centimeter width step is a step 1 and length is a 4 meter as per the plan. Now width we take a first step. So here first step width is given 50 centimeter. So right here 50 centimeter converted into meter means 0.5 meter, and thickness of the brickwork, first step brickwork is given 20 centimeter. So now here put a 0.2 is a thickness. Now we take a step 2. Step 2 length is already given in a plan, length. So right here length is equal to 4 meter. Now here 1 is already single wall, we calculated single wall, already we calculated single wall, and length is calculated is a 4 meter already given in a plan. So right here 4 meter. Width we seen from the cross sectional part, so we calculated second step. So here 40 centimeter is given as a width of the brickwork. So for the second step 40 centimeter converted to meter 0.4, and then after thickness of the brickwork, second step brickwork is a 20 centimeter converted into meter, it's a 0.2. Now multiplication of the 1, 4, 0.4 and 0.2 is a 0.32 cubic meter. Now we take a step 3. Step 3 is a width is a 30 centimeter, length is the same as a 4 meter. So we write here length is equal to 4 meter. Now here number of the wall is a 1, single wall is calculated, length is a 4 meter, width is 0.3, and height from the second step to plinth level, height is a 30 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. So 30 plus 60 means 90 centimeter. Here means 0.9 meter. It's a height of the third step. So multiplication of the 1, 4 and 0.3 and 0.9, it's a 1.08. It's the answer of the cubic meter. It's a step 3 answer. Now summation of the 0.4 plus 0.32 plus 1.08. So total summation is a 1.8 cubic meter of the total brickwork in a foundation and in a plinth level. Now we calculated fourth point, first class brickwork in a superstructure. So in a superstructure from the plinth level to top of the wall, height is a 3 meter is given in a section part, and 20 centimeter width is given. Brickwork or a wall thickness is given 20 centimeter, and length is given 4 centimeter in a plan part. So simply we write here wall is a 1, then after length is a 4 meter, width we calculated already given in a figure is a 0.2, and height of the wall is given 3 meter. So right here only 3. So 2.4 cubic meter is a brickwork for a superstructure. Clear? So it's a final answer 2.4 meter. Now last part is a DPC at a plinth level. So DPC is a damp proof course. Now we calculated last item of the this example is a DPC 2.5 centimeter thickness at a plinth level. So first, what is DPC? DPC is a damp proof course, and thickness is already given 2.5 centimeter. Now DPC at a plinth level, only single number one is given. Length is already in this part. DPC is provided between the 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter. These two step wall DPC is provided. So here 4 meter is length. Then after width of the DPC, so width of the DPC is a 30 centimeter. So write here 0.3. Now here thickness of the DPC is given, but here DPC thickness is not right because it's a less thickness. So DPC is always count in a square meter. So here multiplication of the 1, 4 and 0.3, it's a 1.2 meter square. It's a DPC quantity. Thank you.